Every now and then I still get a flashback of the time I spent thinking you could be that one. Oh, should I have just kept your love? Oh, yes, I understand. We didn't have some good times. On the other hand, got me crying all night. It was too much for my mind. So even though I left you, I can't forget you. 'Cause when I think about you, yes, I'll always love you. When we were together, you ain't treat me right, and damn, I really love ya, I ain't gonna lie. When I think about you, it's bittersweet.